My dear student, exercise 7.3, question number 2. Find the areas of these triangles using correct formula. So A is the triangle is given this side is 5 centimeter and this base is 4 centimeter. It is a right triangle. So since the triangle is right triangle, here height is not given. This height is not given. So we have to find the height. Height is equal to this hypotenuse square minus base square. It is minus 5 square minus 4 square. It is not plus, it is minus. Okay. So 5 square minus 4 square is equal to 25 minus 16. So 25 minus 16 is 9. 9 root 9 is 3 square. Root 3 square is 3. So therefore area of the triangle half into base into height. Half into base is 4. It is given here 4. And height we got 3. So 4 into 3 by 2 you divide 4 you get 2. 2 into 3 6. 6 centimeter square. Number B. The triangle is given. This side is 4 centimeter. This side is 4 centimeter and the height of this is 5 centimeter. So base is 6 centimeter. So here height also given and base is given. So therefore the triangle, the area of the triangle is half into base into height. Half into 6 into 5 by 2 you divide 6 you get 3. 3 into 5 15. Question number 3. Find the base of the triangle whose area and height are given. Area is 127.5 meter square, height is 17 meter. So half into base into height is equal to area of the triangle. So half into base into height is 17 meter. It is equal to area is given 127.5 meter. So base is equal to 127 by 17 and into 2. You, you multiply this, you get 255 by 17. You divide this by 17, you get 15 meter. So base is 15 meter. Question number 4. Find the height of the triangle whose area and base are given below. A. Area 1235 centimeter square, base 47.5 centimeter. So half into base into height is equal to area of the triangle. Base into height is equal to this 2, you take that side, it will be 2 into area of the triangle. So base 47.5 into height is equal to 2 into 1235. Height is equal to 2 into this by this, you get, you multiply this and divide by this, you get 52. So height is equal to 52 centimeter. Number 5. A triangular garden has base 30 meter and height 32 meter. Find the cost of the leveling the garden at rupees 6 per meter square. Given base is 30 meter, height is 32 meter. We have to find the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle is half into base into height. Half into base is 30, height is 32. You divide by 2, this 32, you get 16. 16 into 30 is 480 meter square. So cost of 1 meter square is 6 rupees. So cost of 480 meter square is cost rupees 6 into 480 is equal to 2880 rupees. Question number 6. Find the three altitudes of the triangle shown here if the area of the triangle is 42 centimeter square. The side is 7, this side is 9 centimeter, this side is 10 centimeter. Given three sides 7 centimeter, 9 centimeter and 10 centimeter, half into base into altitude is equal to area of the triangle. Half into 10 this base and altitude is we have not given, so we have to find altitude is equal to the area of the triangle is 40. taking 10 as base. This side you take as base. So 2 divide 10 divided by 2 is 5. Altitude is equal to 42 by 5 is equal to 8.4 centimeter. Again, taking this side 9 centimeter as base, half into 9 into altitude is equal to 42. Taking 9 as base, so altitude is 42 into 2 by 9. Multiply this, you get multiply this and divide by 9, you get 28 by 3, which is 9 1 by 3 is equal to 9.33 centimeter. And half into 7, taking 7 as base, into altitude is equal to 42. So altitude is 2 into 42 divided by 7. By 7 you divide 42, you get 6. 6 into 2, 12 centimeter. Number 7. The area of the triangle ABC in the figure shown here is area is 52.5 centimeter square. The area of this triangle ABC. So half into AE, half into this height into BC base, this base BC. Area of the triangle is 52.5 centimeter is given. So half into 7.5, this height into base, BC is not given this. So BC is equal to 52.5 into 2 divided by 7.5. You multiply this and this, you get 105 divided by 7.5 is equal to 14 centimeter. So base BC is we got 14 centimeter. Therefore, area of the triangle BDC, the area of the triangle BDC is equal to half into DF into DC, half into DF. This DF is 4.5 into 14. This base BC we got from here 14. You divide 14 by 2, you get 7. 7 into 4.5 is 31.5 centimeter square. Question number 8. Rakesh bought a rectangular plot of dimension 20 feet by 40 feet. This rectangular plot is Rakesh plot. So this height is 20 feet and this base is 40 feet. So the area of the rectangle, this rectangle is height into base 20 into 40 is 800 feet square. Height of Ramesh plot. This triangular region is Ramesh plot. Here the height is the same 20 feet and base is this 70 feet. So area is half into height into base. Half into height is 20, base is 70. You divide 20 by 10, you get 10, 10 into 70 is 700 feet square. So comparing this and this, the area of the plot, Rakesh plot is more than Ramesh plot. So Rakesh plot is bigger by Ramesh plot by how much? 800 minus 700. 800 minus 700 is 100 feet square. This much.